So hello everybody, it's Recharger back here, and today I'm opening another Merc. But this one's a Hot Wheels Merc, so I'm not expecting any good detail on this thing. I already saw some minor stuff, which is like, yeah. Even I got picky, I was like, well, I bought it anyway, so it's not like I'm gonna throw it out or something. So, this is the Mercury 1950. So this is as well lowered, chopped, like a lead sled version, with the surfboard in the back. I don't know what else to say. It's a Merc. It's another. This one's new as well, so it's not like pre-owned. At least I don't think so. It was. Let's get this beastie out of there. Oh my god, I'm gonna have so many boxes. I already have so many boxes. Okay, this opens. Can I take it off? No, I can only. Okay. I can do it like this. This means I can't turn it. So, wait, let me check if I can get that rest of the shit off. Oh, yeah, there it goes. Okay. So here it is. I think I'm getting too much light right now. So you can see a custom Merc Woody. I know you can take this out. Give me. I know you can get it out. It's just that it's feisty. Okay, it can stand there and. So see, not much, no beautiful like massive, good detail like the front end. Of course, is different. Still looks like it has teeth. This, if the lead sled, the hot rod one, which I did on the previous video, was more like a angry one, and looked like it had like sharp teeth in the front. It's gonna eat you alive. And the original Merc had like a mustache. And then this one looks more like a annoyed front, like it's like he's pissed, I don't know, or something. Like, another detail, of course, you can see the wood part is like really out. It's not merged together. It's like a little bit too much off. If you can see that, I can see that. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, let me take this thing off of the platform and see what else things we can see. So I'm back with. Took me some while to get it off because I had was standing on 5 screws. So in the back, in the middle, and one in the front. Right. Yeah, somewhere around here. I don't know. I know on what it wasn't. It was just okay. Pressing the middle down. So yeah, there's the bottom, not just like all the other like the Merc's bottom. Nothing that special. New, nothing special. New. the surfing board is just wiggling everywhere. But especially see there's the plastic and it holds on it, so it's not that like it's wiggling everywhere completely. Doors open. Not massive detail as well, but it's good. The doors are like really fat as F. Lovely rims, love the rims. Can see those in the back, but if you try to look, you can see that they're the same as the front one, so it's okay. Let's pop the hood. So nothing surprising, of course. As I thought, there's going to be massive detail on the engine. There's not going to be one. That's what I'm trying to say. I might order a different engine for this. A separate engine, maybe put it in. Maybe I don't know. I'll see if it's worth it. All in all, it's like, well, that's it about this. Well, the back is not the most prettiest one. It's still an interesting car model. It wasn't that expensive as well, but only thing that was expensive was the shipping. I was gonna say how much, but it was at least 2 times more expensive than the car model. So, yeah. It's not like I'm living on an island, but still. So, if you oh wait, I put all the Mercs together just to make it see. So there's one Merc. I still haven't glued on the light on the hot rod Merc. And wait, I need to get the other one that's already sitting on the shelf. Here we go. So you can see all the Mercs together. So all in all, of course, the classic one is the best out of all of them 3. This one looks awesome from the outside, with some minor, like I said, issues. Like I said, I'm gonna do that eventually. I just haven't. I'm placing out a special spot in my collection, like where I'm, like not on shelf, but I'm gonna have like this little place underneath all of my shelves where there's enough space to put all of the hot rods together. So I have some hot rods as well. I will put these 2 there, and some parts and everything, like it's a hot rod shop or something like that. And in the future, I'll be buying some parts like to make the hot rod garage look awesome as well. It's not gonna be so detailed as some people already have them. But since I've never made a garage or anything, so the only thing I have is the car lifter and the car trailer where to put the car on or something like that. And yeah, so hope you liked the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe for future videos, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.